latest round of discussions about a two-tier system in Test cricket. As expected, West Indians are balling down the concept that would see the likes of Australia, India, England, New Zealand, etc. play in the top tier, while the likes of Bangladesh, West Indies, Afghanistan, Zimbabwe, etc. play in the second tier. The cry is that it would be bad for West Indies cricket and blah, blah, blah. But West Indies cricket itself is now the epitome of bad. And we fully deserve to be in the category of minnows. We should be ashamed of sponging and riding on the history and tradition of our former greats and take full responsibility for where we are. Why should we continue to play against the big boys? And test match are done in 2 and 3 days. We have no shame. Nothing is wrong with the two-tier system if it's based on performance merit. Right now, if they made have a third tier, the West Indies would be heading near.